welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make 3 amazing projects. One of my favorites so far is this marble tray. We're going to engrave in marble with a Glowforge, of course, and we're going to be making earrings. Earrings in acrylic and also an ornament in MDF. So yes, 3 different projects, 3 different materials, and using our Glowforge. Guys, if you want to become part of the Glowforge community, please grab your discount code. I'll link it down below. With that being said, let's begin the tutorial. Okay guys, so our first project is some cute little pumpkin earrings. This is a good idea if you're planning to use your Glowforge to design and sell earrings. So this is a great option. I personally don't do it because I do, other stuff. But yeah, you can you can do your little Etsy shop and you can create some cute little earrings. So that's, a good idea. So I'm going to be doing that. I'm going to be showing you how to create them. Right now, Glowforge has this app. This is a trial. The app right now has like all the images and stuff, so it's very easy to incorporate images into your designs. Like usually before I used to design them in Illustrator or Inkscape, so it was difficult. It was more difficult because I had to learn from scratch how to use it. So now I added, like, it's very simple to use. So you just have to click here or search for the pumpkin. I already did that, and I selected my pumpkin and then added it into my dashboard. So yeah, click and select. So this is the pumpkin I want, so I just want to duplicate. So you do Control C and Control V to paste it. So this is the one I want. I already did one because I tested first. So I'm just gonna do the second little earring, right? So this is the pumpkin that I want. Okay, let me show you what I did with this one. Let me add a pumpkin so you can see from scratch what I did. So I hit pumpkin and I selected a pumpkin. If you want to use one of these or one of this, whatever you want to use, so you just click on it and it will be added automatically, like your design. So you have this, right? And you don't want to engrave, right? You don't. You want to score this first, and then you want to cut it. So to cut it, you highlight everything, and you click on this box here. Where is it? You create an outline. So you click Create Outline, hit the button, and it's created. I always adjust the outline because it comes out like very weird, very thick. So the settings that I use is 00.79. Okay, wait, I'm missing a 0. 0, 0, 0. Okay. 00079. 0079. So that's the one I use. And I want the pumpkin to be smaller, so you just adjust it, and that's basically it, like to create your design. And then you use Control C to duplicate the image if it's a pair of earring, of course. So I'm gonna delete this one because I already have my pumpkin, right? And I'm gonna add this one to my little piece here. I'm gonna use this little part here. So the settings I use to cut an acrylic, this is gold acrylic. So I use a thick yellow acrylic to cut, and it cuts very, very nice. So we're gonna score first, and then we're gonna cut. Okay, so let's begin. So click Ready, and let's see. I did the first pumpkin with 44 seconds, so this is a very fast project that you can do, and it's very easy, and you don't need a lot, like for real. I'm gonna add in the description box where I purchased the little I don't know how you call these, but yeah, whatever you put on the earring on the back, I don't know. I'll check the name and I'll add it to the video. But I'm gonna link it down below, and I'm gonna do an Amazon list for you guys, so you could just purchase whatever, like I post in the videos, you can purchase directly through the link, and it's easier for you. Okay, so it says 45 minutes, so in less than 2 minutes you can make some cute little earrings for Halloween or for fall. You'll see the result. It's very, very cute. So let's begin. Okay guys, so here we have our little pumpkins. They came out so freaking cute. You see? So now we have to add the backing, the earring backing of our piece. So yeah, for that we need E6000. You can purchase this at Michael's, Walmart, any craft store, Target. So yeah, we need to put that, and then we're done with the earring. Like, very easy to use, and you can start crafting with acrylic and start your shop and start selling, start making money, guys. So these I made these previously, and they work perfectly. And yeah, I purchased this on Amazon. I'm gonna link everything down for you guys. And this is another thing that you can do, like with the same technique. This is napkin holder, and this also you can do like for your cup. You can put this, your initial, into the wine cup, into a cup. I link a few pictures how I do how I use this. And yeah, and you know, just put to run your imagination, and you know, you can create tons of stuff. Okay, so I hope you guys like this. Let's start with project number 2. Okay guys, so the next project is a Christmas ornament. I am going to use a file because I don't know how to design, like, no. I bought a file through Etsy, through an Etsy shop, right? And that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna upload that file now, and we're gonna use the Santa Delivers toilet paper B2. It's a really funny ornament that I'm gonna be adding to my shop. You can also do that, guys. Like, you can buy several files that you can find on Etsy. I've done tons of them, like I've sold a lot of them, and it's pretty easy. Like, you don't have to, you know, figure it out how to design and all that. It's already there, and it's a very good price, and you can make profit out of it a lot. Like, for real, just trust me. Trust me that, you know, you're gonna get your money. Okay, so it takes a while for the design to pop up. Let's wait for it. Okay, so here it is. See, it even has an instruction. Like, there's a very, so this is a 3D ornament, Christmas Santa ornament for this year. So I'm going to incorporate that to my shop. So let's do it with you guys. So let's figure it out. So we're not going to engrave, we're going to score. And this, we're going to ignore it. These are the instructions. So I'm going to use MDF board. I also purchased this MDF from a Etsy shop. So this is not sponsored, guys, but I can link it down in the description box. I like to help, you know, small business owner as well, like, you know. So we're gonna be doing this. So let's begin. We have our design, so let's print it. This is gonna be very easy as well. Like, it's the first time that I print this, but like, you cannot make any mistake on this, guys. This file always comes ready, and it's like boom, boom, boom. Very easy. Let's drag this here. You can also delete like all this part so you don't get confused. Let me see, hold on. I'm just gonna drag it to the side. So I can have more space. Okay. And our Where's Santa? Where are you, Santa? Wait. Okay. So the design is ready. Let's click ready. So I used for the settings thick draft board. I don't use medium because I think it cuts better with the thick. That's just my personal opinion. Like, you can use medium draft board and just test it and see if it's, you know, if it's good with your material. Okay, guys? Okay, so as you can see, I deleted the instructions and our design is going to be ready in 4 minutes and 49 seconds. Let's start. Okay, so we have our pieces. So we now will have to glue them together, and you have to put the mask. Santa has a mask this year. Hold on, let me see if I can coordinate this with one hand. I'm just filming with my phone. And then we'll add the other part. We're gonna hot glue this, or you can add some E6000 as well. And then we're gonna let it dry, and we're gonna add some twine. Super duper cute. Third and last project is a marble tray. We're gonna be engraving in marble. So I'm gonna be showing you step by step. I already have my design, most of it done. Like, it's not, you know, I'm just gonna incorporate my name and my initial, because I'm gonna be using this in my vanity or in my new office. So yeah, so let me show you the design. And also, I bought this in a local store, so probably you can buy a piece of marble. I don't know, you can go to Home Goods, or you can go to, I don't know if Home Depot has a piece of marble. Probably yes. Like, I've never, you know, asked, but yeah, probably yes, you can buy it at Home Depot. So I did this for a client in a piece of wood on a cheese board, so I like it. So I'm gonna add my name. I'm gonna remove Kenny, and I'm gonna write my name in my initial. So basically that's it. And I have my settings already saved. I'll double check now, and I'll show you guys everything. Okay, so I decided to write my N Styles collection. That's the name of my shop, my Etsy shop, and my Instagram, to my marble tray. So I do have the settings already saved, because I did a little piece. I tested, and okay, that's my son upstairs. I tested, and I have everything ready. So I have the marble settings here already set up. I will be sharing that with you guys. So yeah, and I'll show you in a minute how to save it. Okay, so I'll do all that step by step. Okay, so the marble settings that I have the speed in 700, I have the precision power in 90, I have the lines per inch in 340, and I have the focus height 0.209, and then number of passes is 2. So these are the settings. You can save them, right, if you're gonna use marble. And I took this settings from the Glowforge community page. There's a lot of stuff in there, so you can guys check it out as well. Okay, so my design will take 22 minutes. So I'm going to start now, and I'll show you guys the final result. Look how cute this is, guys. I'm going to be adding these cabinets pulls. This is very old. I just spray painted, and voila. So I'm gonna add it with E6000. Sorry, I have my Glowforge like in the back working. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you like the final picture so you can guys see it with more light, and I'm gonna style it for you as well. But this came out so pretty, guys. Cute. Okay guys, so this is how my tray turned out. It's just my favorite piece so far that I've created.